Welcome to the Innovation World Podcast, your go-to source for all things innovation, invention, and entrepreneurship. Our website is www.innovationworld.org.
Welcome back to Every Question. And today, our first question is from Brent, Dr. Brent. His question is, what is the Wallace line? The Wallace line, for an example of the Wallace line, you're on a big island and you notice there are different types of animals living there. Some animals like tigers, elephants, and monkeys live on one side on the island. On the other, see kangaroos, koalas, and different kinds of birds. Now let's pretend there's an invisible line running through the middle of that island. This line is called the Wallace line. What's very interesting is that the animals on one side of the line are very different from the other side. You see, a long time ago, the islands were actually two smaller islands. Animals on one of the islands evolved differently from animals on the other island because they lived in different environments. Over millions of years, these animals changed and adapted to survive in their own unique ways. Then something happened that joined the two islands together into one big island. The animals on each side didn't mix together completely. They stayed on their respective sides of the Wallace line. Now, even though they share the same island, the animals on one side are more like their cousins from Asia, while the animals on the other side are more like their cousins from Australia. So they have their own special club on each side of the island. The Wallace line is a special reminder of how animals can evolve differently in different places, and it helps scientists understand how species are connected and how they change over time. That is an explanation of the Wallace line.
Thank you for joining us today for the Innovation World Podcast. Innovation World is your go-to source for all things innovation, invention, and entrepreneurship. Our website is www.innovationworld.org.